Motorola Razr+ is the company's third-generation foldable smartphone, coming to the US and other countries on June 23, priced at $999. It resembles past Razr models with a foldable screen that emulates flip phones. The design is more similar to Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip series, but the standout feature is the massive 3.6-inch outer display on the cover. The outer display can run full apps, has a 144 Hz refresh rate, peak brightness of 1100 nits, and supports HDR10+. The phone offers panels that display lists of apps or contacts, widgets, custom Spotify integration, and custom games. It is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, with 8GB of RAM, 256GB of storage, and a 3800 mAh battery. The Razr Plus supports both physical SIM cards and eSIM, unlike the original Razr. It runs on Android 13 with Motorola's light skin and receives 3 major Android updates and 4 years of security patches. The inner display is a 6.9-inch P OLED panel with a 165 Hz refresh rate, peak brightness of 1400 nits, and a 32MP camera and a hole punch cutout. The camera setup includes a 12MP primary rear camera and a 13MP rear ultra-wide camera. A live preview feature allows most apps to use the rear cameras for selfies by displaying a viewfinder on the outer display. The Razr Plus comes in 3 colors: Infinite Black and Glacier Blue with a glass back, and Viva Magenta with a vegan leather-like material. Outside of the US and Canada, the phone is known as the Razr 40 Ultra and is already on sale in some countries like China and parts of Europe. It will be available through various retailers, including Motorola's website, Amazon, Best Buy, Atant, T-Mobile, Spectrum Mobile, Google Fi Wireless, and Optimum Mobile. T-Mobile is the exclusive carrier for the Viva Magenta color, and select promotions offer the device for free.